Welcome back out to the shop. Today's Friday. I don't know how long it's been since we last saw you guys. But I started working without the camera on somewhere in the last 2 weeks. And I left this mess. Our window is missing. There's the mechanism there. I think the glass is... Oh, there's the glass right here. This window was wired up. They had this baler wire running from here over to here to hold the window up. Because the window would not go up and down, and I'm guessing at some point it had gotten itself down, and they couldn't get it to go up, so they broke the mechanism, forced it up, wired it up so that it would no longer work. I took it all apart. I tested the wire, and the wire will go down but not up. So the switch in here is broken, and actually it's broken I think in the driver's door because I was able to jiggle it and did it to go up. So wiring problem probably in the door over there. I'm going there next, but the idea here is because this was all broken, we can actually see this was snapped off. They definitely just did whatever they could to get it up. I went and picked up a set of doors, and it has the mechanism in there, so this one should work. I do have another set that this one that came off of a Jeep that rolled. So that one should work. If it doesn't, I do have a good working one. We'll make a good set of them. This window doesn't work, but I think that this window not working is also related to this door. These switches have a problem, but I can actually see that there's been some problems here in the harness. So that's what we're working on next, is just odds and ends like that. Hopefully I can get this mechanism switched over and then fix the wiring and have that be a thing. I've been traveling a bunch for work again, so I haven't had the chance to get it to the inspection station or drive it much. So getting this working is just kind of like something that I can do a couple minutes at a time. And like I said, I started without the camera on. So I'm going to get back to it. I'll bring you in if I make any progress. While I'm doing this, I'm also going to put some speakers in there. The back speakers are all fresh and new, but I have... Hello. I have some new ones over there. Maybe not brand new. Those are some kickers or something that will go in the front doors, and then we should have good stereo all the way around because the back ones are good to go. We just need to put some... This one is still factory, and then that one is missing. So that's what we're working on. Come along, see what we get done. Okay, believe it or not, these mechanisms are actually quite difficult to get out of here. They're not difficult, they're just difficult. I mean, if you know what I mean. They're not hard, but they're hard. First thing, punch this little guy out here. Little piece of plastic something or other. Comes in from the other side. I'm going to get that guy out. Not sure if there's a word for that. Yep. Okay. We already took these guys off, that one off, and these three off. Now she's free in there. You have to kind of like rotate it a little bit, and then it has to like sneak out like that. It like corkscrews out. So you guys see what you can see from over there? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. Well, it is the next day. Normally I would cut the frame right here and move on to the rest of this project and kind of focus on showing you guys what I'm working on, but something about this just has to be explained. So let's roll the rest of the clip and then we can talk about what's going on here. Well, yeah. I have had some issues with my back for a while now. This has actually happened a couple of times working on this project where I'm working at a weird angle, I'm bending over a strange way, and something in my back just twists, snaps, or pulls, and it causes an immense amount of pain in whatever area that is, and all of my muscles just tense up on my entire back, and I'm basically left useless. So it's the next day. I am back out in the shop, and that is where we left it last night. Because when this happens to me, I am done. I cannot do anything else. Thankfully, I have had it happen so many times over the years. I have a routine of ice and laying and ibuprofen and some, things like that, NSAIDs that really relax my muscles and allow my back to get into a manageable place. I'll have to go and I'll see the chiropractor on Monday, but until then, picking up that door, bending over to pick up that stuff or work on things is not a fun thing for me. So we're going to let that sit. And unfortunately, that means that that's all we got for this video. Sorry for dragging you out here and starting something that we can't finish. But like I said, this has happened a few times with this project and it's caused delay. But this is a couple days and I'll be back at it. And maybe another video will come out in a couple weeks. But anyway, thanks for stopping. Sorry you had to see that. See you guys on the next one.